Hey guys, how are we all doing? So Dan from Trading with Dan here. So this is our Bitcoin and Ethereum dominating DMT update. Not too much going on in the Bitcoin price today, but we will have a look. So the 15-minute DMT sell line is up around the 6,170 line. So that will be the current level that a sell trade is triggered. The 25-minute Dominator actually entered the sell trade, so I had the Dominator Bot back on, so I'm currently in this sell trade here. It took the trade around 6,380, so it's a little bit offside at the moment. I can show you this trade just here. So yeah, you can see that trade. That bot trade is still active. So yeah, we're still in that, so hopefully we'll get the sell off from here, but we'll see. We obviously could be bull flagging this potential move up higher, but we will see how it plays out. Ethereum 15-minute DMT. Yes, the buy line is the sell line. Get confused. I've got a buy line because it's green and green is buy, but actually this is the line that you'll have to break through to sell. So yeah, that's currently moving up through $128. So that should probably end up settling around here somewhere. But yeah, so not quite in the sell from that. Still above the buy level. The 25-minute Dominator for Ethereum. That took a sell today as well. I didn't take this trade, but we're currently sat offside at the moment. But yeah, so that is the update for the Bitcoin and Ethereum 15-minute DMT and 25-minute Dominator. Yeah, bigger time frame in Bitcoin. You can pretty much see that. Yeah, we just sort of. I did initially think this was a rising wedge. I mean, it still could be, and we could just be back testing the wedge, or we could be, maybe we are in something like a just an ascending channel. So could we just be expecting to be moving around about this channel? Just need to get rid of this. Here we go. Yeah, so something like this. Could we just be trading in sort of a range like here? I mean, these are still inherently bearish formations, so we could expect a drop out of this. But I think the rising wedge, unless we are just coming back up to back test and then just to back test it as resistance and then break down, which is fully possible with that there, and we could now be making our way down to the projected move of this formation. But time will tell. So yeah, so remember, this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research. And I will speak to you guys on the next video.